welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is really exciting for me. I'm going to try Moroccan's food for the first time. It's an authentic Moroccan restaurant that's opened by Moroccans that are based in Thailand. So it's also brought to me by my Morocco's friend. So I'm pretty sure they have already tried and assessed the quality. Alright, time to start our feast. Next up is this Moroccan lamb shank. It's one of the most famous food that everybody will order in this restaurant. Beautifully done, and the soup is definitely next tier level. It's great to go with bread. Let's try it out. To serve is pastilla. It's a pie from Moroccan delicacy, stuffed with goodies like pigeon meat, cinnamon, almonds, onion, and eggs. It's a layered design which make it extra crispy when we cut it or even eat it. Sweet and buttery. I absolutely love this dessert. Thanks for watching so far. We are nearing to the end of the video. So Moroccan food gives me the vibe, right, that most dishes are served with either soup or sauce, combined with different types of flatbread, and all the dish can mix and match to your liking to create new combination of flavors. It's pretty mind-blowing to have it, and I would definitely love to try more. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey.